Hello tool lovers, welcome to the channel. Don't skip this video because today we're showcasing 20 new game-changing woodworking tools on Amazon that are truly worth buying. From smart cutting gadgets to powerful workshop upgrades, these tools can save time, boost accuracy, and make every project easier. Whether you're a DIY beginner or a pro carpenter, these innovative tools will seriously upgrade your woodworking game in 2026.
NanoBlade Saw. The Bosch NanoBlade Saw, developed by Robert Bosch GmbH, uses an innovative revolving microchain system to deliver smooth, low vibration cutting with excellent control. This maintenance-free design eliminates the need for oiling, sharpening, or tensioning, making it highly convenient for DIY and light professional work. It enables precise plunge cuts, quick S, DS, blade changes, and reliable performance on wood and plastics, though it is slower than traditional jigsaws and not intended for metal or heavy structural materials. Combisaw. The Skil 600. Combisaw is a smart 2-in-1 cutting solution that combines the power of a reciprocating saw with the precision of a jigsaw. Its quick click and slide handle adjustment lets users switch modes effortlessly for demolition, pruning, or detailed curved cuts. A 400-watt motor delivers up to 3,000 strokes per minute, while the universal blade holder accepts both blade types. Lightweight and compact, it's ideal for DIY tasks, though some vibration is noticeable during heavy-duty use. Chisel Sharpening Stone. The AUXTUR Chisel Sharpening Stone is a complete sharpening solution designed for accuracy, durability, and ease of use. Its dual grit whetstone handles everything from edge restoration to fine honing, while water-based lubrication ensures clean, efficient sharpening. The included all-metal honing guide provides stable, repeatable angles with a wide roller that prevents wobbling. Compatible with chisels, planer blades, and similar tools, this system is ideal for both beginners and experienced woodworkers seeking consistent professional quality results. NX Divi Kommatsnulle. NX 2.0 is a multi-industry term representing advanced innovation in automotive safety, software development, and digital photography. In vehicles from Lexus, it denotes Safety System Plus 2.0, delivering intelligent driver assist features like collision detection, adaptive cruise control, and lane guidance. In development environments, NX 2.0 enhances productivity through smart caching, automated workflows, and visual project mapping. Meanwhile, Nikon NX Tether 2.0 empowers photographers with remote shooting, live monitoring, and flexible interface customization for streamlined creative control. Klein Tool Belt. Klein Tools tool belts combine durability, comfort, and modular organization for demanding job sites. Available in rugged leather or padded web designs, they feature 2-inch wide support for stability and compatibility with tunnel loop pouches. The Tradesman Pro series adds breathable padding, removable pouches, and suspender-ready hardware to reduce fatigue during long shifts. Quick release or double-tongue buckles enhance safety and security, while specialized holders keep essential tools accessible. Adjustable sizing ensures a reliable fit for various trades and workloads. Mortise Base. The Woodpeckers. Mortise Base is a precision router accessory engineered to deliver exceptional stability when cutting mortises in narrow stock. Its dual fence design captures the workpiece for balanced, chatter-free routing, ensuring accurate square results. Machined from aircraft-grade aluminum with stainless steel hardware, it offers durability and smooth adjustment. With multiple guide rod sizes, wide compatibility, micro-adjustable positioning, and the ability to convert into an edge guide, it provides versatility for mortises, rabbets, slots, and dados. Pyrography tool. Yihua pyrography tools are professional-grade wood-burning stations built for precision, stability, and versatility. They feature rapid heat-up times, accurate temperature control, and ergonomic heat-insulated pens for comfortable long sessions. Many models support detachable, plug-and-play pens, allowing quick tip changes for detailing, shading, or stamping. Designed for use on wood, leather, cork, and similar materials, these stations also include safety holders, cleaning accessories, and reliable protection systems for consistent worry-free performance. Popeeze Pro. Popeeze Pro is a patented popcorn sealing scraper engineered for faster, cleaner acoustic texture removal. Its durable metal blade breaks through build-up efficiently, while an integrated vacuum funnel connects to a shop vacuum to capture debris instantly and reduce airborne dust. Adjustable edge settings allow flush scraping along walls, and dual grip options support both extension pole and handheld use. Completely manual and easy to set up, it minimizes cleanup time when used on properly wetted, unpainted ceilings. CompactSubBase. The Milescraft 1225. CompactSubBase enhances compact router performance by adding a larger, stable platform for improved accuracy and control. Designed by Milescraft, it features a clear polycarbonate base, ergonomic rotating handles, and precision pins for mortising and edge work. The universal mounting system fits many trim routers from Makita, Bosch, DeWalt, and Ryobi, making it a versatile upgrade for cleaner, more controlled routing results. Leigh F3 Finger. The Leigh F3 Finger. Joint template is a CNC machined aluminum accessory that converts Leigh 24-inch D-series dovetail jigs into full box joint systems. It creates 11 through-finger joint sizes and 3 square half-blind joints with precision. Featuring 3 comb sizes, 5/16 of an inch, 3/8 of an inch, 1/2 inch, and patented E-bush guide bushings, it allows micro-adjustments for perfect fits. Symmetrical indexing, engraved scales, and one-sided flipping ensure accuracy. Compatible with all D-series jigs, and supporting boards up to 1 1/4 inches thick, it also works with Leigh's VRS for stability and dust control. Corner Flattening Tool. The Seika Edge. Corner Flattening Tool, also called the Seika Chamfer Plane, is a versatile hand tool for precise edge trimming and wood chamfering. Featuring adjustable cutting depth, interchangeable P20 steel cutter heads, and integrated leveling bubbles, it ensures accurate professional results. Its durable aluminum body, ergonomic design, and safety edge make it portable and user-friendly. Ideal for softwoods, hardwoods, and MDF, this tool allows easy blade changes and maintenance, offering both DIY enthusiasts and woodworkers reliable performance for smooth, perfectly chamfered edges. VersaGrip Clamp. The Kreg VersaGrip Clamp is a powerful one-handed trigger clamp ideal for woodworking and DIY projects. Delivering up to 300 pounds, 136 kilograms. Clamping force? It features Grip Max anti-slip pads to protect surfaces while holding materials securely. Its movable, removable, and reversible head allows versatile clamping or spreading, including dog hole compatibility. Designed for ergonomic one-hand operation, it includes a quick-release trigger and integrated adapters for Kreg pocket hole jigs. Available in 6 inches, 12 inches, 24 inches, and 36 inches lengths for every project need. Turbo plane. The Arbortech turbo plane is a powerful wood shaping blade for standard angle grinders, featuring 3 large tungsten carbide teeth that produce smooth shavings instead of dust. Its rotary planing action allows flat or angled sculpting, while smooth blade technology ensures exceptional surface quality. Safe and precise, the teeth stay within the disc face, preventing gouges and allowing template use. Compatible with soft or hard woods, fiberglass, and resin, its balance for freehand control fits 100 to 115mm grinders and is easy to maintain. Panel clamp. The Rockler Deluxe. Panel clamp is a game changer for woodworkers, using a 4-way pressure system to squeeze glue joints while keeping boards perfectly flat. Its rigid steel rails act as built-in cools, preventing buckling and reducing sanding. Features include scissor action couplers, sawtooth adjustable rails, and magnetic feet for easy positioning. Heavy-duty, glue-resistant construction ensures durability and smooth operation. Available in deluxe and mini sizes, it's ideal for tabletops, cutting boards, and small panels, though at least 2 clamps are recommended for larger projects. Saddle Square. The Woodpeckers. Saddle Square collection offers precision layout tools for woodworking, including the Saddle T-Square, Joiner's Saddle Square, and Folding Saddle Square. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, they wrap around corners to mark edges and faces in a single motion. Features include parallel scribing guides, anti-parallax beveled edges, high-contrast laser markings, and CNC machined angle slots. Sizes range from 4 inches to 12 inches, 100 to 300 millimeters, with folding models allowing adjustable angles. These tools deliver unmatched accuracy, visibility, and versatility for furniture, cabinetry, and complex joinery projects. Parallel Guide System. The TSO Parallel Guide, TPG. Gen 2 transforms any handheld saw into a precision panel saw, delivering perfectly repeatable rip cuts. Its rigid, one-piece aluminum tracks, Flipstop Pro dual arm stops, and calibration memory ensure unmatched accuracy and batch consistency. Gen 2's drop lock connectors allow instant tool-free attachment, while compatibility spans Festool, Makita, Milwaukee, Rigid, Kreg ACS, PowerTech, and Wen rails. Accessories like Narrow Stock Pro and T-Track connectors expand capabilities, supporting cuts from 20 inches up to 50 inches for cabinetry, furniture, and full sheet goods. Cam A-Line Dowel Guide. The Woodpeckers. Cam A-Line Dowel Guide is a precision doweling jig featuring a patented sliding cam system for perfectly centered, evenly spaced dowels. adjustable from 3/4 inch to 1 3/4 inch center to center. It accommodates workpieces 2 1/4 inch to 5 1/2 inch wide. With precision engraved center lines, a parallel fence, reversible stop system, drill depth collars, and extension rods, it streamlines both one-off and production work. Compatible with multiple imperial and metric bushing sizes, it's CNC, machined from anodized aluminum and stainless steel for accuracy, durability, and efficient woodworking. Dovetail Jig. The General Tools 861. EZ Pro. Dovetailer 2 is a portable aluminum jig for crafting precise dovetail and box joints without permanent mounting. Upgraded from the 860 model, it features self-aligning construction, adjustable joint fit, integrated clamps, and a built-in depth gauge. Compatible with boards 1/2 inch to 1 inch thick, it includes a 1/2 inch dovetail bit and alignment tool for wider boards. Enhancements like hex head screws, a unified clamping bar, and router table knobs improve usability, stability, and accuracy, making it ideal for softwoods and professional woodworking projects. Mini Belt Sander. The Tungfull Mini Belt Sander is a precision benchtop tool crafted from stainless steel for durability and rust resistance. Its high torque 775/795 copper motor delivers 4,000 to 9,000 RPM with 7-speed variable control and dual direction rotation, ideal for grinding, polishing, and sharpening. Dual horizontal and vertical surfaces, adjustable work tables, and anti-vibration pads enhance versatility and stability. Perfect for knives, scissors, wood, metal, acrylic, and plastic. It supports 330mm belts, 15 to 25mm, with 60 to 1000 grit options, combining safety, efficiency, and precision for DIY and small workshop projects. Benchtop Planer. The Triton TPT125. Benchtop Planer is a precision thicknesser built for smooth professional results on soft and hard woods. Its rigid 4-post column ensures accurate vertical movement, while the dual blade cutting head delivers 17,500 CPM. It handles timber up to 12.5 inches wide and 6 inches high, with adjustable depth in 1/16 inch increments. Large foldable tables reduce snipe, and reversible HSS blades extend lifespan. With dust extraction, safety features, and portable design, it's ideal for workshop or site use.